guys, it's Rishka. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super special to me because I have my best friend here.
Hi, I'm Ria.
So we met in our first year of college and have been best friends ever since. So yeah, why are you so scared?
I don't know.
Oh my god. So guys, today Ria is going to do my makeup for the first time. We are both not so pro in this, but I think I know a little better than her. So yeah, let's see. Chalo, start karte hain. And also we are not just doing makeup, we are also going to play some fun games and ask questions about each other. Yeah, which she has no idea about. So yeah, it will be fun. I think it is going to be fun, guys. So start karte hain. So guys, here is our makeup and I have already done my skincare, so we can directly start. So basically I will be blindfolded and I have to guess the product by smell, and if I guess it correctly then she will apply that product on my face, and if I won't be able to guess it correctly then we will skip that product. So I don't want to skip any product on my face. So yeah, it is going to be fun, guys. So yeah, let's start. Bro, मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है यार.
So, guys, this is our makeup. Let's start with our first product. So,
Okay.
let's start.
Boom. Put it on. What is this? Nice. I think it's foundation.
Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
I know this.
So,
Like-
guys, foundation is not being skipped.
Oh.
Now, let's start with this.
कुछ स्मेल ही नहीं आ रहा ब्रो.
There is a smell.
Let me think. Wait, क्या हो सकता है? Primer?
No, correct.
नहीं?
Second chance.
Oh my god, क्या हो सकता है bro? A compact? I guess it's because of the sound.
I know.
Okay, this will be considered cheating. Can't. You can't help me.
Okay. Now, next.
The smell, I feel like vomiting, bro. What is this?
Okay.
It's so bad. It smells like moja, bro. Comes like, is it compact that does that puff?
No. Why would I give you compact?
I don't know. Like
No.
compact thing is like up the sound नहीं किया. Oh my god. It smells so bad. What the hell?
Guess, guess. Okay, guess. It's one of the tint. I'm giving you a hint.
Okay, I think that red one.
Yeah.
No? कुछ smell नहीं आ रहा.
Wait.
Oh, okay, that's छोटू concealer.
No.
छोटू concealer, no?
No.
बड़ू concealer?
Yes. What Chotu Badu concealer? You're guessing. You get only one chance to guess.
Okay, fine.
This though I don't think so. You'll be able to guess.
It smells nice. I don't know what it is.
Something that smells nice.
Let me give this one. It smells nice. I don't know what is there. I don't know what it is.
Think.
What can be?
Think.
What do we have? Achha, give me some hint. Yeah, what category? Give the category.
If I give the category, you'll guess only. It's not like we have 100 products.
Primer.
No. I would never smell like this.
Lipstick. Lip gloss.
Tell. One by one, tell everything.
I don't know.
You're doing cheating.
I don't know, yaar. What is it?
That is new to the family.
New?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Contour.
Yes. Correct.
Yes. Got it.
This the high end smell. Yeah, that's not so tight. This smells.
I know the smell, but I'm not able to figure it out. I know the smell, bro. Let me smell it. Okay. Mascara. Right.
Nice. No, this one.
What
Not
is it?
opening one.
What am I going to smell? Oh my god. It smells so nice. This is that Mars blush.
This smells very nice.
Yeah.
No. This one. This time should know.
It smells like minty mint.
Mint?
Yeah, something minty. Give me.
Why?
I know the smell.
Obviously.
But I am not able to figure it out. Oh my god, what's this smell?
It's my favorite.
It's your favorite.
It's my favorite.
Oh, okay. The lip gloss. Yeah, that smells like green tea and it's so like, you know, it feels cold on your lips. Give up.
Is it? I don't think so. There is any smell.
Yeah, it's.
Leave it.
What is it? What was it?
That you did chicken.
Primer. Okay.
Oh, khatam.
Okay, I'm
That's
exhausted.
Smell
I
it.
know,
Let's see
I'm like,
how many you guessed.
Oh
Everything
my
you
god.
guessed only.
It's so. These are the things I guess.
Yes.
I can get. I also guess the Mars one, na?
Start करो
Yes, right.
I'm pro at this, bro. I sniff all these products every day, so. Okay, guys, so let's start. And also from now, I will ask you questions after each product, okay? And you have to like guess it correctly or give correct answers. So let's start.
Like, na?
Yeah. Oh my god, she's asking first timer now. Bro, what were you supposed to apply first? Why are your T-zones? Oh my god, what are you going to do today? I'm scared. Yeah.
Concealer.
Yeah, wait, first I have to ask you a question.
Okay.
So first question is, what is my favorite color?
Pink.
Pink? No. I mean, it's there.
It's pink only.
It's not
You like everything pink.
Like, I love every color, but for now, I love... No, so abhi I have currently 3 favorite colors. Abhi.
That green one.
Which green one? Like, you have to be specific.
That mint green one. That the color you showed me.
No, it's not green.
Blue
It's
one.
not green.
That blue that blue that you were showing that day. I don't
Which
remember
blue?
the color.
You have to tell.
That cardigan blue one. I don't remember the color. But pink is your permanent
There
favorite
are
color.
3 colors. Tell me, what are those? I just tell the color, I will... You don't have to specify. Tell the color.
Blue, green.
Not green. It's not
Pink.
green. Bolti
Blue,
hai.
pink.
Yeah.
Butter yellow.
Yeah. But I will get correct. And pink and blue में से एक है baby blue and baby pink.
Baby blue and baby pink. Wow.
I love everything in butter yellow.
Just shut up.
Concealer, bro. What is she going to do? Oh my god. No, not this concealer. Okay, I'm not going to say. Yeah, I'm not going to say anything.
Okay, let's put concealer.
No, no.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Professionally. Mwah. How much are you going to apply? My forehead. Do quickly, bro.
No, you will get one slap of it. If I don't know all these things and now I
I
want to
am
be
very impatient. Very. Ask me anything.
What's my favorite color?
I think your favorite color is also yellow. Is it? See, I know. मेरे को लगा कि इसका yellow है because कुछ दिनों से like everything like I notice कि तू कुछ भी खरीदने जाती है तो like you
First choose yellow.
yeah so it's not about that. I observe, okay? Unlike you.
Unlike you. That's why I told you.
Oh my god, how is she applying the concealer? Oh my god, I'm scared. Right?
And concealer, where should I put?
Remove me the lip.
Arise! This girl is so like. Let's see what I'm going to do. Do like this. I've seen videos. I do like this only.
Whose video?
Ow! What happened?
My eyes are hurting.
Your questions are finished.
No. Oh yeah, I have to ask you another question after each
Tell me.
product. Yeah, wait, let me. Yeah, then the second question will be rate me as a friend out of 10.
0.
What? Oh my god. I'm on 10.
Oh my god. 10. 100.
Please don't say like this. It's 0. 0 is fine.
Okay, so done.
Okay. So next product. Tell me, what will you apply? Blush?
Yes.
Okay. Don't say anything.
Blue. Let me see.
Okay. So third question is, what was your first impression of me? क्या था? क्या देख
Yo.
सोचते क्या सोचा था? देखते क्या सोचा था? मैं बड़ी चिढ़ा।
She looks innocent.
I don't think मुझे किसी ने innocent बोला है। सबसे पहले मेरे को बोला है देखते ही लेकिन I look like a bitch, like a
Same,
mean
same,
bitch.
same, same,
Because I
for me.
always look like
I'm very-
unapproachable and not interested.
I am as well very grumpy kind of person.
Yeah. So I don't know how.
I don't know why you felt innocent. I think you
I think I was in that good.
good head of yours.
Oh my god.
After that, though, I got to know. There is no
ऐसे बोल रहे थे तो उसके बाद तो लगी ना I was like why ऐसा क्या कर दिया मैंने? I became too comfortable I guess. ना
maybe.
भाई फर्स्ट इंसान से मिलेगा तो लाइक विल बी लिटिल नाइस ओनली आई थिंक ना तो पहले मिलोगे तो तुम अच्छा ही थोड़ा नाइस ही रहोगे आई गेस एनीवे एंड शी वाज टू स्वीट थी बट
Oh my god, this was so difficult to say, na? Oh my god.
नहीं तो वो इतनी ज्यादा स्वीट थी तो लाइक यू नो क्या ही बोलूं यार तो तेरे साथ इसके साथ मैं नहीं करती थी मतलब you know, कुछ भी तो एंड देन लेकिन जब धीरे धीरे कंफर्टेबल हो गया तो लाइक
फिर करने लग गई.
फिर वी आर लाइक टॉम एंड जेरी नाउ वेरी मच ओके द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन डिड यू रियलाइज आई एम नॉट नॉर्मल
After 6 months.
Why? ये तो लड़के वाले बात हो गई फेस 3 months तक तो लाइक यू नो ही इज अ ड्रीम बॉय ये वो सब कुछ एंड देन उसका असली रंग बाहर आ रहा है तीसरा महीने के बाद तो ऐसे क्या क्या कर दिया
After 6 months, we were like we
Very-
became
very
very close, and then you were very comfortable with me, and then all that.
तुम्हारे सारे डार्क चीजें पता चली
हाँ. अरे, how do you apply it down ना?
हाँ तो क्या क्या नॉर्मल आई थिंक शी इज डूइंग गुड मेकअप तो अभी तक तो लाइक इट्स सॉलिड बेस
तो अब क्या करना है?
हाँ तो मैं बोल रही थी कि नॉर्मल इन द सेंस हम यहाँ नहीं बोल सकते वरना तुम लोग पागल घोषित कर दोगे बट या इट्स वेरी लाइक यू नो डार्क प्रॉब्लम्स और सीक्रेट्स तो या तो उसको तब पता चला Who is more dramatic between us?
Obviously you.
I
I
am.
never be dramatic.
No, you are also very dramatic.
No, I don't do drama. You
ऐसा नहीं है when she is angry she will do so much drama भाई साहब तब इसका असली रूप बिग बॉस वाला रूप आ जाता है इसका
I don't do drama. Oh my god.
What drama I do?
Yeah.
When I need something from her I act like this
And when she don't want to talk to me, जब मुझसे बात नहीं करना होगा, she will be like, जा यहाँ से मुझसे तुझसे बात नहीं करना है.
Yeah, next question is what's my annoying habit? Most annoying habit.
You are annoying from top to bottom.
Nonsense. What nonsense?
ऐसा ही है अब जो है, can't help. वो दोस्ती क्या जो annoying ना हो.
चलो चलो
Can't help.
one the most
That you don't listen when you don't want to listen.
what nonsense why will I listen when I don't want to listen
It's like I'm talking and you don't want to listen, then you just she just
superpower
does.
I feel
She
it's
just
not
doesn't
superpower
hear
it's toxic no?
anything.
If I'm angry or like you know if I don't want to listen anything तो मैं नहीं सुनूंगी like मतलब तुम मेरे सामने चिल्लाते रह जाओ
कुछ भी कर लो, doesn't matter, वो नहीं सुनेगी bro, and it's like annoying. मतलब
और
सबसे
ऐसा भी
annoying
नहीं कि
है.
like you know मैं फोन स्क्रॉल कर रही हूँ तो मैं मेरे को ध्यान ही नहीं देता है मतलब मेरे को सुनाई ही नहीं देता है मतलब मुझे को
वो गहरी हो जाती है.
मेरे को लेजिटिमेट सुनाई नहीं देता अगर मैं फोन स्क्रॉल वगैरह कि मैं सपने सोच लूंगी ओवर थिंकिंग प्रो मैक्स ब्रो तो ओवर थिंकिंग कर लूंगी कि कुछ यू नो कहीं पर हूँ मैं समथिंग बट मजा ले इनका बात मेरे कान तक पहुंचे सो इट्स
इतनी अच्छी बात है. वाह.
I feel so happy because I keep rage baiting them and they get so angry. So मजा आता है.
You can see how people get annoyed.
Okay, so next question is what's one thing that you would change about
This habit. The one I just.
No.
That should be changed यार. That's very annoying.
अरे यार आजकल तो सुनती हूँ यार.
आजकल तुम कल बैठ के सरसों भी ना सुनो.
मैं रिएक्ट नहीं करती हूँ लेकिन दिमाग में तो मैं सुनती हूँ यार मैं.
हाँ. ऐसा लगता है.
ठीक है.
Just that.
अरे
जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ,
यार.
तुम बात कर ले बस. That's it.
इग्नोर नहीं करती हूँ जब मैं एकदम लगी हूँ ना फ्रस्ट्रेटेड या एकदम गुस्सा होता हमारा झगड़ा हो चुका है एकदम मारपीट नहीं मतलब बहुत ज्यादा
Violence नहीं.
बहुत ज्यादा ही मतलब यू नो क्या बोलते हैं एकदम अब फुल गुस्से में हूँ तो मुझे नहीं सुनना होता एक इसका गंदा आदत है एक मेरा अच्छा आदत है कि मेरे को स्पेस चाहिए होता है मैं नहीं बात कर सकती
नहीं,
और
मेरे
एक
को भी space
नहीं
चाहिए
इसका
होता
गंदा
है.
आदत है कि जब तक वो सॉल्व नहीं होगा जब तक वो मतलब टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए उसमें मतलब जब तक वो एकदम
नहीं, जब झगड़ा कर रहे हो ये अपना बोलती है और अपना स्पेस लेके निकल लेती है. सामने वाला को भी तो बोलना होता है.
नहीं.
ऐसा ही होता है. Please.
ओके अब से मैं सुनूंगी ठीक
हाँ,
है
thank
Done.
God. देखिए.
चलो
Last. I think.
ओके ये तो हंसी आ रहा है मुझे ये सेम क्वेश्चन है एम आई अ गुड लिसनर और आई जस्ट प्रिटेंड टू बी वन
You are a good listener जब हमारा vote करेगा. It's like that.
व्हाट डिड यू डू क्या हुआ ऐसे फोन के कैमरे में तो दिख नहीं रहा मुझे पता है तुमने पक्का कुछ गड़बड़ किया माइंड
मानना ही पड़ेगा जो हालत किया है मैंने.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी इट्स डन राइट
Yeah, that's it. Now let's see. How much?
व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट मेमोरी विद मी
Oh, the first time you came here, so at that time only, that was my favorite thing to do everything with you.
Yeah, so yeah, okay,
That's
good,
my
nice,
favorite.
nice. Or do you have any questions for me?
What's your favorite memory?
My favorite memory is every day with you. I feel because
Oh my god, that's really cheesy. Oh my god.
even though it's the best thing for me. Because like it's I do everything with her, bro. Everything.
Same goes for me also.
so,
I don't even have friend. I have only her.
So yeah, so like everything with her, bro.
everything feels good.
Okay, guys. So yeah, I think she did actually good, bro. I didn't expect this from her, but yeah, she did
I also didn't
really
expect
did
it.
great.
So कितना रेट करना है इसको ये मेकअप को?
Yeah, I
ये
will
इसमें
give
makeup को?
रुक जा देख ले, तो थोड़ा ब्लश कम
अरे
हो गया.
बाबा, इतना क्या देखना है भाई?
मतलब थोड़ा ब्लश कम हो गया, बट लाइक आई गिव 10 ही दे देती हूँ. 9.5 to be honest, but then like I'm in a good mood today, so
Oh my
10
god,
दे
she
देती
is
हूँ.
in a good mood today.
So yeah, it's nice. It's good. So guys, thank you for watching us, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.